Need RFI shielding? Or gaskets formed in place for electronics? Maybe you need a cosmetic coating for a part. Basically any secondary operation you need for electronic enclosures.
We're one of the few approved Nolato applicators in the world. Most of these FIP materials are dispensed with a circular profile or a D shape. Theirs is as well, but after it's dispensed, we pass it through these forming magnets and it pulls it into a triangular shape, so it's called tri-shield. With gaskets, the height is always the critical dimension. So with this material, we can dispense a much smaller bead and pull it up higher.
For way more than just coating.
Hi, I'm David McCarthy from Central Coating, and we're more than just a coating company. Yeah, so people come to us when they want us to solve their RF interference problems. So conformal coating of printed circuit boards, low pressure molding of printed circuit boards, podding, encapsulation, basically the whole secondary operations of electronic enclosures. We can also paint the part for you, add your graphics, add your branding, because we'll also do electromechanical assembly. We can manage the supply chain for you. So we'll buy the components, we'll buy the plastic part, we'll put it all together for you, shield the inside, paint the outside, and brand it for you. We do parts that's actually the size of this table. We prefer smaller ones, but we do MRI cages about the size of this table. A lot of the stuff tends to be smaller handheld devices for the military and medical fields. So we do conductive coatings on plastic for medical companies. This here is a defibrillator housing. So we spray the copper coating, install the foil labels, install the gasket, attach the handle, and send that to our customer. This is also a silver-plated conductive copper. Here's a pure silver. We also do nickel. We'll work with you on the design stage and help you specify a coating that's compatible with that plastic substrate. So conformal coating is basically a clear coat that goes over the top of printed circuit boards, typically applied at 3 to 6 mils dry film thickness, and protects it from shock, vibration, dust, splash. So this is low pressure molding, also for protection of printed circuitry. This goes down about 25 mils per side, so much, much thicker, fully submersible. So we also dispense FIP gaskets. FIP stands for form in place. So we do both conductive gaskets for EMI RFI shielding, as well as non-conductive gaskets for just dust, vibration, splash, environmental seals, if you will. So the gasket comes in liquid state. We buy it from one of our vendors, put it onto our robot, and robotically dispense that, and it cures and bonds to the part. Lots of times, the parts are provided to us, or we'll go buy the part and manage the whole supply chain. Just depends on what the customer's requirements are. So yeah, this is value-added operations. We can brand it, add your logo. This is inkjet printing. We also do pad printing, UV curable inkjet printing, also laser engraving. Laser engraving is nice if you want to serialize parts, put a QR code or a barcode. So this is a pretty neat technology. Headlights have gone from halogen bulbs to LED bulbs, and as a result, they're no longer generating any heat. So with snow plows, snow machines, ATVs, the ice is building up on the headlight lens and not melting. Well, now what we're doing is we're printing a conductive silver trace onto the lens that we can attach probes to generate heat and melt the ice.